Yeah, what's up guys, what's going on? Hope you're good. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be answering a question someone asking me about whether if you can actually use your phone, your mobile phone, to do the same thing I've been doing with my laptop all this while, breaking down different candlestick pattern, and how to make entry or better entry with them. And also I'm going to be doing a forecasting, how to forecast using this strategy I've been sharing with you guys. Now the beauty of strategy or beauty of trading is that you can actually forecast ahead of time and watch the price play out your way or against you, right? You can forecast and even not taking the trade, okay, or forecast, take the trade. That's how you see all this before and after. What I speculated, what later happened, either against or in your favor. Now this forecasting is going to help you to build confidence on the strategy, right? When you're able to forecast and the price turn out always, let's say, more than 70%, 80% in your favor, that means you are becoming good. That means the strategy is profitable. That means you can actually trade this strategy and make it your personal strategy, right? So this is I'm using my mobile here, so that means you can equally do it with mobile. So don't just think that there are strategies you cannot use mobile for. That is in my channel, right? You can do all those things. The only thing is that using a laptop, when you're in a business, you should have tools and stuff that will help you make your life easier also. That's why a lot of us use like laptop or bigger screen, anything like that, just to make your work easier. It doesn't mean that you cannot still do the same thing with your mobile phone. Okay, so you can identify candlesticks with your mobile phone. You can simply identify something like this. Okay, you can see this is actually the evening star or something. So you can do this with phone. You can identify bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, and all that. We still have this one here. You can see that's still evening star. You still have evening star here. So you can identify all these things with your phone. We have bullish engulfing candle right there. We have the hammer or pin bar right there. We have bearish engulfing, I think, here. We also have tweezer stop here, and it could be called this one could also be bearish inside bar. So you can still identify these things with your phone as easy as ABC. So you already know that. So what we are going to be doing is to forecast. Okay, so most of the videos I drop on this strategy, we go back to do back testing, how does these things work and all that. So now in this video we want to forecast, and forecasting is basically trying to see ahead of time or draw um uh, lines, anything to show what the price is likely going to do, or the direction the price is likely going to go. Okay, so forecasting is just like it's not like 100% stuff, but have a very good strategy helps you build confidence in your strategy. So what are we going to be doing now? Combining all the information I've passed through in this channel, you can identify a candlestick pattern, check if the candlestick pattern is in close or at area of value, which could be support, resistance, trend line, or other stuff you are using. Then you be able to start checking entry. So right now I have all these things in place: the support, resistance, this one is trend line, guys. Okay, and that's exactly what I'm going to be focusing on. So you can see the trend line connecting all this to the upside. Now the current price on 4 hours, you can see we have this particular candle, we have this, this, and this. So that three candles, okay, it's a kind of morning star forming at resistance level, right? So if you look also at this place, you can equally see another candlestick pattern right here. But what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be because it's an uptrending market, okay, we are going to be focusing on bullish candlestick pattern, right? So if you look right here, we are going to be marking out the high and the low of that our morning star, which is these three candles, right? So you see why using phone, you can keep dragging just to make sure I'm getting it. Okay, so this is basically the high and the low of this. Okay, now what do I have to do after this? Now you have marked out your pattern, which is at an area which is the resistance level. The next thing I'm going to be doing is that you go down to a lower time frame, and on a lower time frame, what are we expecting? So on a lower time frame, we want to see the price. Okay, let me put a line here, because we are buying, you want to see the price break above this line. Okay, so what are we looking for? We want to see the price break above that zone. Now the price is here, price can actually do this, break above here. So once the price break above here, we are waiting for a retest to that zone for us to buy. So let me kind of zoom out a bit so that you can see this. Now if the price break, maybe started to do this, okay, then break outside this candle, then retest. Okay, so now this retesting is happening also at trend line. So this is the point you are going to be making your entry. So this is how you are going to draw your line, and you wait for those things to play out. So after breakout, you wait for the price to bounce back to this zone, then you are buying. So all you have to do is simply just drag your line this way, your rectangle this way, so, and be waiting for a clear closing above this. So once the price closes, you are just waiting for a retest, and after that retest at trend line, you are going to be buying. So at this zone is where you are going to be waiting for your buy. So this is how you forecast ahead of time, and you wait for the price to play out. Once the price play out, okay, then you make your entry. So that's how simple these things are. So instead of like going to backtesting, I decided to do this with the particular current price, okay, so that you're able to see if you can actually do the same thing on your own. And this is exactly what you'll be doing like every morning or in the evening, against the next day, or in the morning before you start making entries. You check out those things, forecast, and simply wait for those things to come. Patient is the game, guys. Hope this is helpful. Hope this is going to help you improve your trading. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget I have a Telegram channel. You can also join the Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Register also with theriff.com. They if you want to start trading live accounts or other accounts, sorry, demo, anything you need, you also need to register. Even though if you want to trade demo, once you want to access boom and crash, synthetic that is all synthetic indices, boom and crash, volatility, step index, jump, range, derivative basket, even currency pairs, you know, they offer currency pairs. You just register through the link I will drop in the description, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoy this. Bye for now, guys.